All right, Big Nate here. So we're gonna get back at it. We're gonna get back out. We're gonna get on these hood vents. Remember, they go like this.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
I got that bumper out of here, so it's time to get back to work. We're gonna put it. We got this new metallic silver. I'm gonna try out. I've been using the silver metallic one. It's good. It's just not good. Too good as a base on a two-tone. And I was gonna try this out, but I got to reading on it, and this is a metallic clear, silver metallic clear. So we'll use that on something else. But yeah, let's get this down. We're gonna put this metallic silver from the powder coat store, and we're gonna see what it's all about. Let's do it. All right, first we're gonna get them all degreased. Put a lot of fingerprints on this one when I was trying to figure out what I was gonna do with it. We're gonna get them all degreased, and then we're gonna sandblast them, clean them up, prep them up, and you know what we're gonna do from there. So we're gonna lay down that silver metallic. Let's do it. Big Nate here. We got them all sandblasted, rinsed off or whatnot. This one was already sandblasted, so I just scruffed it up with the green pad. Then I forgot to mention we're going to be doing this little interior accent piece. It goes down below the stereo. But this is not going to have silver on it. This is going to just be regular midnight metallic blue. And then I'm going to do the two-tone vinyl pulls on these. So I'm going to lay down the new silver metallic that I got, and then we'll go from there. But first we're going to outgas. So let's get them in the oven, and let's keep it rolling. Let's do it. All right. Just got done outgassing. I went ahead and did it for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. And just let them cool off a little bit, and then we're going to throw that silver down. Let's do it. All right, Big Nate here. So we're going to get them all prepped up. We're going to hit it with that pre-green painting prep from Eastwood. And then get them cleaned up, and then burned off any lint or anything that's stuck on it. And then we'll go ahead and throw that silver on it. Let's do it. All right. Got that coat of silver metallic. Gonna put them in the oven for 10 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's do it. All right, so I just got them out of the oven. I only cured them for 5 minutes, a half cure, not 10 minutes. It came out great. It's a little smoother than the metallic silver one from Prismatic, but it still has a little tough texture on there. But we'll see how it goes. Let's put some vinyl on them. Oh yeah. Second time out of the oven. Looking great. Look at that. Midnight metallic blue. Look at that. Nice. All right, let's hit it with some clear. All right, we got a nice thick coat of Clear Vision. Clear. Time to go in the oven. Let's do it. Nate here. So today what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this hood vent and knock it down some more with some 2000 grit wet sanding, and we're gonna make it look like this one, and then we're gonna buff them both out. And if I still have time, I'm going to cut these into the hood on the slingshot. So stay tuned. Let's get at it. All right, we got them hood vents finished up, looking good. So now it's time to cut them in. So we're gonna be cutting them right up in here. See the little outline I put? We're gonna be cutting that out. And I'm a little nervous, but gotta do what you gotta do. So let's do it. Let's get it. All right, we got that hole cut out. I ain't gonna get up close because it don't look too good, but there it is. Hopefully I'm pretty sure it's gonna be covered, but yeah, you can see down there it's all jagged. Yeah, that was the first time cutting. Man, got a little nervous, but let's keep it rolling. Let's do it. All right, Big Nate here. So we got the hood vents in, cut in. It's a little dusty because I took it on a little joyride. But we got the hood vents in. We got them powder coated, installed, and now we just got to put the my new logo on there. Vinyl. I'm gonna go with vinyl. I did the vinyl pull, and I didn't like how it came out. So I'm gonna go vinyl on there to match the other vinyls that I got on. And there's gonna be more, so that's what we're gonna do. Wait for the finale. Let's do it.